Hey everybody, it's Jennifer from On the Road with Dolly. I've got a great recipe for you today that's going to take your fall chili up a notch when you're camping in the outdoors.
I'm just traveling. I'm just traveling on.
Okay, so chili is pretty much a staple for us when we're camping. It's just so easy, and a lot of times we pre-make it. So we're gonna do it in the Dutch oven this time. So we've got a couple of cups here of chili. Do it homemade, pick up your favorite canned chili, whatever is easy for you. I'm gonna spread this, wait a minute, there's a little more in there. Let's get it all. I'm gonna spread this out in the bottom of the Dutch oven. And then what we're gonna do to make this a little bit more special than just a bowl of chili is we're gonna make it a little bit more like what some people would call like a tamale pie. So I've got some cornbread here. We love a little bit of sweet cornbread, so this is the rest of a Jiffy mix. I'm actually using 2 boxes to cover this. If you don't want as thick of a topping, just use 1 box. So a couple of eggs, 2/3 a cup of milk, super easy. We're gonna whisk this all together. Easy as that. And then we're just gonna take this crust and we're gonna pour it right on top of the chili. One pro tip for you, anytime you're gonna cook in a Dutch oven, be sure you take some parchment paper and line your Dutch oven because it makes cleanup so much easier. So we're gonna put the lid on top of here, and I'm gonna hand this over to Marty, and he's gonna do the tough part, and that is figuring out how many coals it's gonna take to make the chili hot and bake the cornbread on top.
All right, so Jennifer's got the tamale pie ready. I've got some coals going already. Now, if you're just using briquettes, you can use probably 15 to 18 briquettes. I like to just cover the bottom. We're cooking in the solo stove here because they don't have a fire pit, but this will help maintain some of the heat. Then I'm going to take the rest of the coals, just sprinkle it on the top. Kind of give it a good cover. Leave it in there for probably about 20 minutes, and we'll check and see how it's doing. Took us a little longer than we thought it would, but we still got a good, nice crust on the top here. Got a lot of cornbread in here. Look at that in there. I think we got us a little
Tamale pie.
chili tamale pie.
Looks good. Little sour cream, little cheese. That is a perfect tamale pie.
Came out really good.
Oh, oh, oh.